So I want to search Reddit from a Google Sheet. I have a ton of keyword phrases. This is great for social listening or finding competitor research or even finding places where people are talking about the problem you're solving and you want to jump in and say, here, I can solve your problem. So how do we search on Reddit from a keyword or phrase in a sheet? Let's go to Reddit and see. We can go to Reddit and search for a phrase, and I'm going to get the URL and paste it right here. So what this looks like is it'll say reddit.com/search/?q equals, and then it's going to have this keyword or phrase that I searched for with plus signs in between. So I'm actually going to delete the query itself and just get this base URL. And instead of just having the base URL, I'm going to equals hyperlink and put the base URL in quote. Then I'm going to add an ampersand, and I'm just going to select this A2. So it's a reference to that particular cell. And now we have a phrase here, but it has spaces still. So what I need to do is encode URL and wrap that around A2. And now it's going to have %20. Is that correct? Let's go and see. Let's click this link and see if it works. And it does. What it's doing is it's taking these spaces and converting them to a URL appropriate character called %20. And then it's actually searching for this particular phrase here on Reddit. Now I can copy paste this all the way down, and each one of these is going to be a link directly to this keyword or phrase searched on Reddit. But what if I want to make this a little bit nicer to look at? Well, I can add at the very end of this hyperlink URL a comma and a word or a phrase, and it'll be Reddit. I'll copy that all the way down, and now we have a nice just single button to click, but it's going to search this particular word or phrase. There it is, digital transformation. Really cool, right? But if you're looking to search Reddit and 79 other sites, check out SearchLord. It is an absolutely free sheet, a template where I have created a way to search literally one word and 80 sites all at once. It does all of the work for you. Here it is, Reddit right there, plus 79, actually more than 80 other sites you can search for phrases, great for competitor listening, deep social listening, or even blog topic research or YouTube video topic research. This is full of awesome things. Even if you're trying to figure out what kind of products already exist for this kind of thing, you got Etsy, Walmart, Target, AliExpress, Gumroad, all these awesome things. Go get SearchLord right now. bettersheets.co/SearchLord. I'll put a link down in the description. Get it today. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.